This kit, created and produced by Champion Trikes, consists mostly of 2 automobile wheels fastened to a beam axle. It's obvious that the massive Honda Goldwing, the old faithful of touring bikes, is in front of you. The 1832cc Boxer 6 engine from the manufacturer, which can propel a 400 kg or more single assembly over the horizon at speeds of up to 200 km per hour, powers the blob. Despite being large, it is swift and robust. The power plant is finished with an axle drive and a 5-speed gearbox. Twin discs with a single piston caliper in the automated design are used for brakes. A front and rear independently brake system was installed in its place, replacing the Honda ABS very popular 15 inches by 7 inches wheel that takes 205/70ths tires. There is a large selection of rear rubber available due to the popularity of those proportions. The alloy rims have the Champion brand on them. When it comes to the panels, you obviously lack any available panniers. The front's conventional bodywork is well sculpted into the flared guard, in contrast. You receive a good-sized boot in the rear. The exchange space in luggage is advantageous since it has ample of area for 2XXL full-face helmets. This triple trees up front have been replaced with an easy steer system, which adds a 4.5-degree angle. This in turn shortens the trail and is designed to make steering a little bit more precise. But keep in mind that you'll also get a wider track at the back and a longer wheelbase, up from 1690 to 1841 millimeters. There are many aspects about the tricycle that are equally reassuring with familiar, if you can squint and temporarily ignore the enormous back end. After all, it is built on one of the world's top touring motorcycles. Thus, you receive excellent seats, fairings, and a complete electronics set that includes cruise control, voice recognition, and satellite navigation. The trike has a tendency to understeer in turns, and if you apply more speed, the front end washout will worsen. The Goldwing Champion combination receives a very strong rating in this category. It will begin to understeer if you apply excessive pressure, but it quickly responds to restraint. This allows for a very calm handling when coupled with an extremely well-tuned independent rear. With a few more bumps from the extra wheels, it's still as comfy as you'd expect from a Goldwing, but it's still a very refined riding. The car's propensity to tilt slightly out of turn, though, is a characteristic you and your passengers will have to get accustomed to. Due to the rear tire's superior grip, there is particularly powerful braking. Additionally, they provide the rig a sense of security on slick or damp areas. Three-wheelers built on motorcycles were by no means a novel idea. Harley made its first Survey car in 1932 and continues to do so today. Tricycles appear to have a long way to go before they completely dominate the market,